Hello everyone. Today we are going to practice 5 phrases that you can use every single day in real English conversations. Here is what I want you to do. Every time you hear the key phrase in each scene, say it out loud with me. Speak it. Repeat it. And when the video is finished, come straight to the comments and write your favorite phrase from today. Start your comment with that phrase. Are you ready? Let's go.
Scene 1. Morning.
Hey Lily. Good morning. How are you today?
Hey Tom. Good morning. I am good, thank you. How are you today?
I am really good. It is such a nice morning.
Yes, the weather is beautiful today. I love mornings like this.
Me too. It makes you feel so good. So are you going to work?
Yes, just heading out now. What about you?
I have university today. Big exam this morning actually.
Oh, really? How do you feel about it?
A little nervous to be honest. But I studied hard so I think I will be okay.
I am sure you will do great. Just stay calm and trust yourself.
Thank you, Lily. That actually helps. How are you today though? You look very happy this morning.
I am. I had a really good sleep last night and I feel so fresh today.
That is the best feeling. I did not sleep well at all. Too stressed about the exam.
Oh no. Well, after your exam is done, you can sleep all afternoon.
That is exactly my plan. Okay, I need to go. How are you today one more time, feeling confident?
Very confident. It is going to be a great day. And you too, go smash that exam, Tom.
Thank you, Lily. Have a great day.
You too. Good luck.
Scene 2. Going to work.
Hey Lily. Good morning. Are you walking to work today?
Hey, James. Yes, I am. Are you walking too?
Yes. Let's walk together. How was your morning so far?
Really nice, actually. The weather is so good today. How was your morning so far?
Pretty good. I woke up late but I still made it out on time, so I am happy.
Oh, nice. I hate waking up late. It stresses me out.
Same. But today I got lucky. So are you ready for work?
Honestly, not really. I need about 3 more coffees first.
Same. I have a big meeting first thing this morning.
Oh, really? How do you feel about it?
A bit nervous. My boss will be there and I have to present my ideas.
Oh, that sounds stressful. But I am sure you will do great.
I hope so. How was your morning so far in terms of energy? Do you feel awake?
Yes, actually. I feel quite good. I had a strong coffee before leaving the house.
Coffee is everything in the morning.
Absolutely. I cannot function without it.
Me neither. So how was your morning so far overall? Did anything interesting happen?
Nothing too exciting. Just got ready and came out. Pretty normal morning.
Normal mornings are the best sometimes.
Totally. Okay, we are almost at the office. Good luck with your meeting, James.
Thank you so much, Lily. Let's catch up at lunch.
Definitely. See you at lunch. Let's go.
Scene 3. Lunchtime.
Hey Lily. What are you having for lunch today?
Hey, David. Just making a sandwich. What are you having for lunch today?
I ordered sushi. It just arrived. I am so excited.
Oh, wow. Sushi for lunch. Very fancy. Was it that bad?
3 meetings back to back. I am exhausted.
Oh, that sounds rough. At least you have sushi now.
Exactly. Sushi makes everything better. So what are you having for lunch today? Just a sandwich?
Yes, chicken and avocado. Simple, but I love it.
Oh, that actually sounds really good. Did you make it at home?
Yes, this morning before work. I like making my lunch at home. It saves money.
That is so smart. I spend way too much money on lunch every day.
Haha, the sushi is not helping with that.
I know. One treat a week though. So anything for dessert?
Yes, I brought some grapes and chocolate. The perfect combination. I love that. Healthy and sweet at the same time. Okay, I am going to eat at my desk. Enjoy your sushi, David.
Thank you. Enjoy your sandwich. See you after lunch.
See you after lunch.
Scene 4. Afternoon.
Hey Lily. How is your day going?
Hey, Mark. Pretty good, actually. Busy but good. How is your day going?
Really well. I just finished a big assignment for university. I feel so relieved.
Oh, that is amazing. That feeling when you finish something big is the best.
The absolute best. So how is your day going at work? Anything interesting?
It has actually been quite productive. I finished a big report this morning.
Oh, that's nice. So what are you doing after work tonight?
Probably just going home and relaxing. Maybe ordering some food.
I love that feeling. Okay, I need to go back inside now. My break is almost over. Bye, Lily. Have a good rest of the day.
By Mark. Which phrase was your favorite from today? Just write it below. Was it, how are you today? Or, how is your morning so far? Or, what are you having for lunch today? Or, how is your day going? Write your favorite one in the comments right now. That is your English practice for today. Even one phrase is amazing. We are so proud of every single one of you. If this lesson helped you, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the English Time. We have brand new English lessons every single week just for you. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.